Good morning, guys. So I'm going to repeat an experiment which I did some time ago. If you recall, I tried to make blue Coleus Mayana using food color. So that was a failure. But this time, I'm going to use something more natural. Ternatea flowers. So Ternatea flowers are usually used to make blue tea. But this time, I'm going to use it to make or try to make blue Coleus. So let's see what happens. Looks like it's going to rain. But anyway, this morning I'm going to harvest some Eternity. We got some fresh flowers here. I'm gonna harvest them. I'm going to make some tea. But I'm not going to drink it. I'm going to make an attempt, actually a second attempt, in making blue Coleus, blue Mayana. So if you've watched my previous vlog on that topic, I was unsuccessful because I used food color. So I made a mistake. I shouldn't have used food color. So this time I'm going to use the natural dye of Ternatea flowers. So yeah, lots of Ternatea here. I think I have enough. So I'm going to put these in a container and add hot water. And then I'm gonna get my Mayana Coleus cutting. There you go. And I've got my hot water here. See, the water's turning blue already. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this to cool down. And then I will get my cutting.
A few moments later.
Wow, look at this. The water's turned deep blue. I think it's ready. Oh, it's raining now. So I need to get my Mayana cutting. Oh, where to find it? So this is the same type I've used before. I'm gonna get cutting here. Okay, I've got my cutting. Hopefully this experiment will succeed this time. Okay, so I'm gonna put the cutting into the colored water. So we have Eternity flowers in the cup along with the flowers themselves. So we're going to wait a few days to see if there's any change in the color of the leaves. So I'm going to put this in a safe place. Oh, good morning, Simpling Hardin. I'm going to put this in a safe place. Oops. Stay there.
3 days later.
Okay guys, so we're gonna get our Coleus. See if it's turned blue. Okay. Okay, so this is our Coleus plant dipped in a solution with Ternatea flowers. So this is blue water, natural blue water colored by Ternatea flowers. So I was attempting to make this Coleus blue. So I can see the fringes of the flowers with a hint of blue, but that's it. So the leaves are still largely green. So let's see if this Coleus has roots. Nope, there are no roots and it's been 4 days. But I'm going to keep this in here and see how well it grows. So do you consider it a failure in my second attempt in trying to make a blue Coleus, blue Mayana? Yep. Okay guys, so you heard it. It's another failure from Simpling Hearted. Yeah. It's still green, although it does have a hint of blue.